Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Ameriprise, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all relevant financial documents, including income statements, bills, and bank statements. List your sources of income, such as salary, freelance work, or rental income. Identify your fixed expenses, which may include rent, mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Next, outline your variable expenses, such as groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Create a comprehensive list that includes all these expenses for a clear overview. Determine your financial goals, which can be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, such as retirement. Use Ameriprise's budgeting tools to categorize your income and expenses for better visualization. Log into your Ameriprise account and access the budgeting feature. Input your monthly income and expenses into the system. Review your spending categories to see where you can make adjustments. Set realistic spending limits for each category based on your income and savings goals. Track your spending throughout the month through the Ameriprise app or website. Adjust your budget as necessary based on your spending habits and financial goals. Evaluate your progress at the end of each month to identify areas for improvement. Consider consulting with an Ameriprise financial advisor for personalized guidance. Utilize the insights and recommendations provided by Ameriprise to refine your budgeting strategy. Stay committed to your budget to build a healthier financial future. Revisit your budget regularly to ensure it aligns with any changes in your financial situation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.